You've been thinking about building a website, web app, SaaS tool, client portal, online business tool, or custom application, but don't know how to code. Hosting your horizons may be one of the easiest ways to turn your idea into a working project. With Hosting Your Horizons, you can describe what you want to build using natural language, and the AI helps create the application for you, while Hostinger handles the hosting and deployment behind the scenes. In this Hosting Your Horizons coupon code tutorial, I'll show you how to get the best available discount, explain which plan offers the best value, and show you what to look for before completing your purchase. Let's get started. To begin, click the Hosting Your Horizons discount link in the description below. The link will take you directly to the Hosting Your Horizons page. I've also included the exclusive coupon code right next to the link, so you can stack the extra savings at checkout. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no additional cost to you if you decide to purchase through my link. Once you're on the Hosting Your Horizons pricing page, you'll see several plans available depending on how many AI resources and projects you need. Before choosing a plan, it's important to understand what makes Hosting Your Horizons different from many other website builders and AI tools. Instead of piecing together separate services for app building, hosting, deployment, domains, and infrastructure, Hosting Your Horizons combines everything into a single platform. You simply describe what you want to create, and the AI helps generate the application while Hostinger takes care of the technical setup. This can save a significant amount of time, especially if you're not a developer or don't want to manage servers and complex configurations yourself. Now let's look at the available plans. The first plan is Explore. Explore is designed for users who want to test ideas, experiment with AI-powered app creation, or build smaller projects while learning how the platform works. Next is the Starter plan. For most users, this is a plan I recommend. It provides a strong balance between affordability and features while giving you enough resources to build meaningful projects without paying for capacity you may not need yet. If you're creating business tools, client projects, startup ideas, or applications you plan to grow over time, Starter will likely be the best value option for most people. Above that is the Hobbyist Plan. This plan is designed for users who expect to build multiple projects and need additional AI resources for more frequent development and testing. Finally, there's the Hustler Plan. This plan is intended for users who want the highest level of resources available and expect to build numerous applications or frequently work with AI-generated projects. After reviewing the plans, select the option that best matches your needs. You'll then be taken to the checkout page. Before completing your purchase, make sure to enter the exclusive coupon code provided with the link in the description in the Have a Coupon Code field to maximize your savings. Next, create your Hostinger account if you don't already have one. You can sign up using your email address or one of the available login methods. After that, enter your billing information and complete the checkout process. Once your purchase is complete, you'll gain access to the Hosting Your Horizons dashboard. From there, you can begin describing your project idea in plain English and start building immediately. Whether you're creating a web application, startup idea, business tool, customer portal, or custom website, Horizons is designed to help you launch projects faster without needing traditional coding skills. If you're ready to get started, click the Hosting Your Horizons discount link below. I've included the exclusive coupon code with the link. If you've been looking for an easier way to build websites and web applications with AI, Hosting Your Horizons is definitely worth considering. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the available plans and how to claim the discount. If it did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more hosting discounts, website tutorials, AI tools, and software deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.